Hello everyone, let's talk about this question, and the question is, give the correct order of magnitude of heat of hydrogenation of the following. Now, heat of hydrogenation, which is HOH, is directly proportional to number of pi bonds. Now here we can see that all of them are having 3 pi bonds. So if pi bonds are same, then it is inversely proportional to stability of alkene. So what will we do? We'll first find out the order of stability of alkene, and then we will reverse the order for HOH data. So stability order of alkene will be, so here we can see that these pi bonds are in conjugation. These are conjugated pi bonds. Conjugated pi bonds are stable than isolated pi bonds. Remember this. These are isolated pi bonds because we can clearly see sp3 carbon between them. So these are isolated pi bonds. Now conjugated is more stable than isolated. Then we have here is, we can see that 2 are in conjugation. 2 pi bonds are in conjugation and 1 is isolated. So 2 pi bonds are in conjugation. And here 3 pi bonds were conjugated. Now let's talk about the fourth one. We can clearly see this is forming a aromatic ring. So this system, because having a cyclic planar conjugated system with 4n plus 2 pi electron, which is 6 pi electrons, hence this system will be aromatic. Now aromatic is the most stable system. So first, for stability order, the first or the most stable compound will be the fourth one. Then because 3 pi bonds are conjugated, so first one. Then 2 pi bonds are conjugated, so third. And then comes the least, second one. Now this is our stability order. So for HOH data, we will reverse the order. So hence we can say that second will be having the highest HOH, then third, then first, and then the least will be fourth. So second highest is given in the 3 option and fourth least is given in the 2 options. So these will be cut. Now second, then third, then come thirds, which is given in the 3rd option, second, third, first and fourth, which is exactly our HOH data. So this will be our correct option. Thank you.